Nick here, Very Access Customs. Today we're going to have a look at the ZLRC Beast SG906 drone. We picked this up from Banggood. We got the optional waterproof case with it as well, and also picked up 2 batteries. So nice little case, keeps it nice and portable for when you want to go out and fly the drone. Put it in here. Just the controller. It does feel a little bit cheap, but takes 4 AA batteries in the back. Would have been nice to have a little bit of a battery pack in the back rather than having AAs. It feels, yeah, fairly cheap plastic. So this slips out and your phone slots in here. And we also have got in the box our second battery. We picked up a second one. You don't have to buy 2, but 2 is always handy if you're going out for a fly. And then USB cable there, and a couple of the thumb controls which go onto the controller itself. And then we have some spare blades there, which is always good to see they include a few spares. And this is the drone itself. Comes in both black and white. We actually wanted the black, but they only had the white in the 4K, so that's what we stuck with. Now, this drone is rated to be 4K, but it's only 4K photo, not 4K video. Video mode's only 2K, which after a bit of research we found that out. We sort of just, you think 4K, it's going to be 4K video, but it's only 4K photo. And then your battery comes out of the back of here. Nice little feature on these batteries, you can actually push this to actually find your battery level. As you can see, the battery is 7.4 volt, 2800 milliamp. Which is meant to give you about a runtime between 23 to 25 minutes, which from all the things I've seen, it's been pretty accurate. But you still obviously you want to have 2 batteries if you're going out flying. Overall, looks, it's got a bit of weight to it, so it shows it's quite quality compared to the controller, which feels very light. Obviously it's a foldable drone. Your feet come out, so it keeps it nice and compact. One feature I found out sort of doing a little bit of research, these cameras actually are all, you can actually pull them out and replace them. So if you actually crash and you actually manage to damage your camera, you can replace them, which is a good feature to have. And nice and easy to replace it obviously, rather than having to pull the whole drone apart. Now the control range on these are 800 meters if you're not using your phone hooked up to it, and 350 meters if you are. So obviously, once again, all the features of it, it's foldable, nice compact size when it's folded up. It's got GPS return to home, which seems to be a standard feature on all drones. This is our first drone we've ever actually owned, so the other features are point of interest. Obviously, we're still going to have a look and see what all of these are once we get right into it. Waypoint following, follow me mode, and gesture mode, both photo and video, which seems to be quite interesting. So overall, feels pretty good. We've watched a few videos on these, and there's quite mixed reviews actually, to be honest, on this. They also come in a 1080p mode as well, but obviously not many people want 1080p. They're going to go all out 4K mode. So obviously we're not going to get to fly this in this video because obviously, of course, what's going on in the world at the moment, so it may be a few weeks to months, we don't know, until we are going to actually be able to go and get this thing flying. We're hoping it's going to be soon, because of course, everyone that gets a new toy wants to get out there and play with it. So we figured we'd, make a quick video first before we got into destroying it. So if you guys really want to have a good look at these, maybe pick one up. Obviously, you're not going to be able to fly it either, like I can't. These are available from Banggood, quite a reasonable price. Obviously, this is the added-on case, which I recommend. It's always nice to have a nice case to carry everything around. Otherwise, you're going to come in a box, and then you're going to have to obviously buy something. If you've already got one of these, I think you can actually buy these on their own as well, which I believe are about 35 Australian dollars. But you're better off just to buy the whole kit, 2 batteries, and you're good to go. So hopefully in the next video, we'll be able to get this thing out flying and see what it actually does. When that's going to be, I don't know. It could be a month, it could be 2 months, we don't know. So we thought we'd get this little bit of an unboxing video done. No, it's only short, but we were hoping to also have some flying footage as well. But So if you guys want to check them out, link is in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, any other things you may want to see. Obviously this is a little bit out of the normal for us. So until the next video, have a good one.